do believe that the unique skills that is brought to the organization are vast. Individuals who are focused in a certain way can only add value to the organization, and an organization that's leaning into that, recognizing ways in which those individuals may not thrive, and having others provide different resources means that we are being inclusive, we are inviting more individuals into the organization, and some of the new technology that's available. I am really optimistic about what the future will hold, specific to how we will be able to be more inclusive, how we will allow employees to bring their whole selves to work, and how we will provide resources for them that are inclusive and that will help them to do not only good work, but even better work than they were expected to do. It's important that we're talking about how we're meeting employees where they are, and we're also providing for them the resources that can help them perform to their best.